Welcome to Emilio. Yes, together with my travel buddy, Ate Aubrey. Next year, we're going to Chapel Museum ng Emmaus. Umayos kayo, ha? Yes! Umayos. Okay. Sa may Emmaus Museum.
Tradition tells us was Cleopas' house. And so that the very place where Jesus broke the bread. And so this is the floor where the Byzantine built their church, the church of the Byzantine. Okay, so let's take a picture of hundreds, you guys. So we're talking like, that's right. People were baptized, their full body. You can come over.
Yes, we might travel.
Goes around. So this person buried here was alive when Jesus was alive. Let's see if it works. Lazarus, come out.
Amen.
If someone comes out, I'm running.
Yes.
No, but yes, the Jewish tomb from the 1st century AD. Amazing.
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 Okay. Papasok dun sa...
Oh, you inside, no? Pwede pumasok din sa loob. Ito yung Old Jewish Tomb. So yan yung loob. Yan yung Old Jewish Tomb. Yan.
Careful for the first cow.